Alright guys, so I was in here the last part of the day and just having the worst struggles in the world. Nothing would go right for me. It was really annoying. So I worked on bending this 1-inch pipe over here across the ceiling. Didn't really turn out the greatest. And I already cut it, so I couldn't really bend it anymore, so I just kind of have to leave it as is unless I redo another one. So that is going into this disconnect right here, which we moved from this wall right here. It was sitting right here, so I took it off of there. My coworker helped me mount it here, so I just have to get a little piece of pipe going into there, connect it up, and then maybe like, I don't know, like strap it somehow right there. It's like a pair hanger or something, or a little piece of all thread. I'm not sure, but it's not the most solid right now, so kind of want to get that a little bit better. And then added this little piece of pipe here. I was gonna do it a little offset or whatever, but he said I didn't have to, so winning. So put this little piece of pipe in, move this box from there up to here, and then I just took that pipe that was there, used that again, and then painted another box orange. So that'll be for a plug, and this will be a second switch right here. And I'll just have to cap this off right here. So they're gonna build a wall right here, so this will be another light switch plug-in down there, and then this 3/4 pipe is gonna run over to right here, and I think that's gonna be like a plug-in or something for this AC unit. I'm guessing it's gonna be this wire right here, so I just have to bend a pipe that goes over this and then box offset. As you can see, I was working on it right here, but oh, that was the old one, but I was working on it right here, but it just not working out for me. So probably gonna have to try another new piece on Monday. So just really happy it's the weekend right now, because today was really dumb. I'm not gonna lie about that. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway I'm doing. I launched it last night, so check out the last video, and you can have a chance to win a tool. I'm doing a giveaway, tool giveaway, so that's for the 250,000 views. Appreciate the support, guys. And if you have any horrible Friday stories or just horrible days in general, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed. God bless. I'll see you later. Peace out. Have a great weekend. I totally feel like I'm missing something. I know I put a bunch of mud rings on the 6th floor. As you can see, I did the low voltage and stuff like that, but I feel like there's something I'm missing. Oh, I did run a pipe across the ceiling, which wasn't that big of a deal. But anyways, just in a bad mood all day for the most part. My friend did cheer me up after lunch. Right as I was walking back to the job site, which was great. But I just wasn't in a good mood, and then trying to bend that pipe at the end of the day really sucked. I just kept kinking the pipe in half. It just was not cooperating with me at all. And yeah, so better luck on Monday, and yeah, drop me some encouragement in the comments section below, and drop me some likes. That would really help me out. I appreciate that, guys. Hope you guys had a great day, and hope you have a great weekend as well. I'll catch you later.